Members of the press.
Nguo ciumanite na mithemba itiganite ya murimu wa kansa 2027 ni ciandikithagio oro mwaka guku bururi-ini. Riboti ya gikundi gya kuhurana na murimu uyu kia NCIA ikionania murimu uyu niguo wa keri hari gucungiriria ikuo ugikirwo tu ni murimu wa malaria na TB ituranirwo. Muingi gukorwo utataukiirwo kuigana bata wa gwikinyia thibitari guthurimwo ni kimwe gia itumi iria igwetetwo gucungiriria murimu uyu gutherema makiria. O ringi gukihithuka ati andu 44,000 ni magwatagwo ni murimu wa kansa oro mwaka.
We have to emphasize when we take care of our patients, there's beneficence, which is also that is usually easy. It's doing good.
Aria managumirwo ni murimu uyu hamwe noguo ni makaite kumana na thogora wa iguru wigie mirigitire guku magitariria ihinda iritu riria mageragira mbere ya kwitikira.
Nobody wants to waste a lot of money on treatment and then lose somebody who was upstanding to depression or suicide. That's something that can be managed. So, is there care after cure?
The clear diagnosis, it had taken time. So I went also for herbal medication that that was really harmful to me because it affected my spleen.
Ona kuri uguo muikariri giti bodi-ini ya NCIA Dr. Timothy Orwenyi acakaite gikundi giki kugairwo kigina kinini ni thirikari undu uria uracungiriria maremwo gukinyaniria matanya megie kuhurana na murimu wa kansa. Mendekithia mao ari thirikari kurunga kuria kuri na thina niguo muingi wamukire motungata ma urigiti na njira ya raithi.
Out-of-pocket expenditure is still predominantly is still high, and that needs to be managed, and that's one of the initiatives we have towards UHC.
Whatever we are seeing on paper is not what we are seeing on the ground. While we appreciate that there have been considerable improvements,
Akenya ningi ni mahinyiriirio kwitikira guthurimwo mithemba ngurani ya murimu uyu niguo kungioneka kuri na thina ugakuranwo tene na ukarigitwo.
The oncology workforce, which is a priority area under our Ministry of Health, to make sure that universal health coverage is a success and to make sure that we have resources that can address our challenges, is also a priority.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.